good morning. Hey everybody, it's Brad here at Sunnyland. We're out in the courtyard this morning cooking a delicious breakfast on the Big Green Egg, whether you do it today, do it on Father's Day as well. It's always fun to cook in the egg. So I got one over here, got my igniter here, adding some hot air here. We'll open this up here. You can see it getting nice and hot in here. Meanwhile, over here on this side, we are about to put on some breakfast sausage. We got these at the local store down the street. They're Johnsonville. I love their brats. We're going to try their sausage this morning. So, when I think of doing breakfast sausage on the egg, you think of doing, different kinds of sausage, but I love the smoky flavor you get from the Big Green Egg. So, we're going to put some of these on this morning. Give them about 15 minutes, and they should be delish. It's really easy using the egg. But, I like the flavor it gives. Now, you can use the original oak and hickory to get a really strong smoke flavor, or they have the new hardwood, which is a little lighter flavor. When you're doing certain things, you might not want a smoky taste. Me, I personally like that smoky taste there. I've been carrying these about 4 or 5 years now, and I'm convinced. I used to be a gas person, but I gotta say the flavor on the Big Green Egg, it just really does make a difference. Even hot dogs. We cook hot dogs here on the weekend, and we do have our all-beef hot dogs, complimentary as a free. We do them inside on the Roto Grill, but I do have to say, when we put them on the Big Green Egg instead, same exact hot dog. It is so much bigger the difference. It's the way they char up and you get that crispiness to them. Oops, a little windy out here this morning. Oh, good morning, Jose. Hey, that's Jose. That's our warehouse manager. He's been here over 15 years now. Want to say hi to everybody? Anyway, we're going to get these sausages on. We got a couple more things coming out this morning. We can't wait for you to see what we're cooking.